Other examples of ionic bonding. We will explore the formation of ionic bonding in lithium fluoride, LiF. Lithium fluoride is made up of one Li atom, one lithium atom, and one F atom, one fluoride atom. Lithium Li has 3 electrons, and the electron configuration is 2, 1, so 2 electrons in the first shell and 1 electron in the second shell. Fluorine has 9 electrons and electron configuration is 2, 7, so 2 in the first shell and 7 in the second shell. Which of the two atoms has a larger tendency to lose electrons? Lithium has 1 valence electrons and fluorine has 7 valence electrons. So lithium will lose this electron and transfer of electron occurs to fluorine. The new electron configuration of lithium is 2 because it lost its valence electron, and it's Li plus. It's positive because it's lost an electron. As for fluorine, its electron configuration is 2, 8. 8 because it gained 1 electron, and since it gained 1 electron, so it will have a negative charge, so F minus. So lithium lost 1 electrons and became Li plus. Fluorine gained an electron and became F minus. An ionic bond is formed because there is transfer of electrons from lithium to fluorine.